This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable dictation on your Mac. So when you speak, your Mac hears it and types it on the screen. Input, output, okay. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you have to do is actually go to Microsoft Word and then or any text editor and go to a blank document, take this to full screen. Maximize this, and now we need the function key. So if I double tap the function key, which is on your keyboard too, in the left bottom corner, it will say, do you want to enable dictation? To start dictating, press the FN function key twice or choose start dictation. From the edit menu, you will say okay. So it's downloading enhanced dictation. It will take about a minute to download. Once that is downloaded, we will then start dictating. So once that is downloaded, we can now start dictating. So, hello, how are you? And there you go. I said that with my voice. It went all the way to Apple and they brought it back with words, typography on the screen. So if I just close out of Word, quit Word, don't save. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.